joined DPNC Global LLP in June 2023 as an executive in risk advisory domain. It's been 2 months since I've been enjoying working here. At the time of joining, DPNC ensures warm welcome, brief about company culture, policies, and a venue for professional growth. DPNC have a buddy program where buddies assigned with new joinee, ensuring to get along with the company culture, people, and organizational structure. Adequate training sessions were provided for effective work management. I got the opportunity to manage the audit of manufacturing industry, a company specialized in manufacturing of brake pads and brake shoes. This was my first experience working in the production and core manufacturing industry, and it turned out to be very extensive learning assignment for me. Throughout the assignment, I got comprehensive support from my seniors and fellow articles, ensuring quality deliverables on time. My experience is going great and would recommend to be a part of this great learning culture. Thank you.